How EB1 Next Level saves you time and money. Want to get your US visa or green card without wasting time and money? We know the process can be complex, but that's where EB1 Next Level comes in, helping you navigate your journey efficiently and cost-effectively. Segment 1. The problem: why time and money get wasted. Applying for a US visa or green card can be confusing. Mistakes in documentation, unclear guidelines, and delays in the process can cost you months or even years, plus thousands of dollars in lost time and legal fees. Segment 2. The solution: how EB1 Next Level helps. EB1 Next Level ensures you take the right steps from day one. Our expert guidance helps you avoid costly errors, unnecessary delays, and incorrect filing. We speed up the process by preparing and optimizing your case efficiently, helping you get approved faster. Segment 3. The savings: your time and money matter. With EB1 Next Level, you avoid unnecessary legal fees, resubmissions, and wasted months. Every delay costs you, whether it's lost job opportunities or additional immigration costs. Segment 4. Take action today. Don't let confusion slow you down. Let EB1 Next Level guide you towards your American dream, quickly and cost-effectively.